Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. BSNL increases daily data limit of its prepaid plans by 2 GB in a move to counter Jio. With the data tariff war heating up to unprecedented levels, no telco is leaving any stone unturned to bring in more subscribers by the use of offers and competitive pricing. Similarly, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL, the state-owned telco, has rolled out new offer to counter the Mukesh Ambani-led telco Reliance Jio. Under the new rollout, BSNL has also upped the daily data limit of its plans by a whopping 2 GB, meaning that now all data plans by BSNL including the SDVs come with 2 GB extra data per day. The prepaid unlimited combo plans of Rs 999, Rs 666, Rs 485, Rs 429 and Rs 186 offer additional 2 GB daily data. Also, the 3G data STV plans of Rs 448, Rs 444, Rs 333, Rs 349 and Rs 187 ship 2 GB additional daily data now. This offer, which is similar to Reliance Jio's Double Dhamaka offer, has been live for BSNL users starting June 18, 2018. The 5 prepaid unlimited combo plans of Rs 186, 429, Rs 485, Rs 666 and Rs 999 offering unlimited voice calls are also included under this offer, which means that they come with a revised daily data limit of 2 GB more. And the plans priced at Rs 186 and Rs 999 also come with truly unlimited data, as BSNL provides the subscribers with a post-FUP speed of 40 kbps. So the Rs 186 prepaid tariff plan now gives 3 GB data, in line with what Jio is offering with the Rs 149 plan. It's also valid for 28 days from the date of recharge. BSNL's Rs 429 plan also offers 3 GB data benefit per day under this offer, and the benefits are valid for 81 days. The BSNL 6er Rs 666 plan from June 18 offers 3.5 GB data benefit per day for 120 days. And lastly, the Rs 999 plan gives 3 GB data per day for 180 days. Moving on to the unlimited STVs, the AAA Rs 333 plan under this offer gives data benefit of 5 GB per day. The Rs 444 plan offers 6 GB data per day, which is insane. Also, do make a note that BSNL has made this change on a promotional basis of 60 days. After 60 days from June 18, 2018, the tariff revision will expire. Reliance Jio also introduced a temporary additional data offer on its entire prepaid tariff portfolio very recently. Jio is now providing additional 1.5 GB daily data on every prepaid plan until June 30, 2018. While BSNL is giving 2 GB data per day at Rs 186, Jio is giving 3 GB data per day at Rs 149. However, BSNL's new plans are valid for 60 days, whereas Jio's additional data offer will expire on June 30. The new revised prepaid unlimited plans are already effective across the country from June 18, 2018. BSNL users can recharge it from BSNL website or application or any other recharge portal. Do make a note that the benefits of these plans differ in Kerala Circle. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.